A major development out of Abuja, Nigeria, Justice Nwosu-Iheme of the FCT High Court has sentenced Peter Nwachukwu, the husband of late Nigerian gospel singer Osinachi Nwachukwu, to death by hanging. The verdict was delivered on Monday, April 28, after the court found Nwachukwu guilty of culpable homicide in connection with the death of his wife, which occurred on April 8, 2022. Justice Nwosu-Iheme ruled that the prosecution had successfully proven the case beyond reasonable doubt, meeting the burden of proof required by law. Nwachukwu had been arraigned back in June 2022 on a 23-count charge filed by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, covering offenses such as culpable homicide, spousal battery, cruelty to children, and criminal intimidation. During the course of the trial, the prosecution presented 17 witnesses, including 2 of the couple's children, and submitted 25 documents as evidence. In response, Peter Nwachukwu testified in his own defense, called 4 other witnesses, and submitted 4 documents, but it wasn't enough to sway the court. Before sentencing, his lawyer, Reginald Nwale, pleaded with the court for leniency. However, the prosecution, led by Mrs. Adaronke-Mala, urged the judge to enforce the full weight of the law. In her judgment, Justice Nwosu-Iheme sentenced Peter Nwachukwu to death by hanging on count 1. Additionally, he received 2 years imprisonment each on counts 2, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, and 18. He was further sentenced to 6 months on count 10, 3 years on count 11, and was fined 500,000 to 200,000 on counts 6 and 7 respectively. The tragic death of Osinachi, whose voice touched millions around the world, sparked widespread outrage and brought attention to issues of domestic violence in Nigeria. This sentencing marks a powerful statement from the Nigerian judiciary on holding abusers accountable, no matter how powerful or famous they are.